Wishbone's on it. Here's Wishbone. And they're off at the break is 7-3, 1-8, 5-4, 2 and 6. Running up the front stretch, it's 7-3, 1-8, 5-4, 2 and 6. In the escape turn, it's 7-3, 1 and 8. Coming up the back stretch, 7-3, 1-5, 8-4, 2 and 6. In the far turn, it's 3-7, 5-1, 2-4, 8 and 6. Coming on to the finish line, 3 wants that win, and he's got it. It's 3-7, 5-2. Please hold all mutual tickets until the race has been declared official. Running to place, Greyhound number 7, Shootout. Running to show, Greyhound number 5, GLS Einstein. And finishing fourth, Greyhound number 2, Huska Blonde.